Today we have another in the overlooked Rhino features, using the arrow keys to either nudge an object, moving it, or a control point, or using the arrow keys to manipulate a viewport. If you're just right out of the box, stock Rhino, if you have a viewport open, we have the front one, and you hit the right arrow key, you can see that it rotates the viewport that way. If you have the up, rotates you around. Now, if you highlight an object and you hold Alt down and you use the arrow key, the object's going to move. You can see it moving across the screen. Now, you have three choices for the amount of increment of movement. You can either do just Alt, or Alt and Control, or Alt and Shift. Stock, the nudge moves 0.2 millimeters. If you have Control and Alt down, you move 0.05 millimeters. If you have Shift and Alt down, you move 2 millimeters, and those are adjustable. I'll show you in a minute. The other thing is that I have control points turned on for this curve, and what you can do is holding Alt down, you can move the control point. That was just straight Alt. Now we'll do Alt Shift. To change these, go up to Tools, Options, move my window over here, and go down to Modeling Aids, and there's your nudge keys. Nudge key alone is 0.2. You can change these to anything you want. Just a nice little handy trick. Now, if you notice above here, we have Alt plus arrow keys. That's a stock setting. What this means is if you move the arrow keys without using Alt being held down, you're manipulating the viewport. And the other way is if you click on arrow keys alone, is that you're going to nudge using the arrow keys, and if you hold Alt down, then you manipulate the viewport. One thing I neglected to mention was that the page up and page down keys will nudge in the Z direction. So let's highlight our item and hold Alt down. I'm going to do Shift so I get a noticeable nudge. First we're going to do right arrow. Okay, you see that goes along the X, left arrow. Then we're going to go up arrow goes the Y, down arrow goes back down. Page up goes up in the Z, page down goes down in the Z. Thank you.